Blessings to you from our Lord Jesus, and today we will talk about what type of content you should make in first YouTube video. If you are making your YouTube channel with the Christian content for your Christian brothers and sisters, this video will gonna be about what type of content. I have sermons, I don't know how to put them in the videos. I have this great entrepreneurial idea. I want to put the prayer morning videos with this, and all sorts of different ideas are good if they provide some kind of benefit for your audience. I know for the Lord all things are good because you are preaching and teaching them probably the God's ways and stuff like this, and evangelizing your people and Bible study. But you see, remember what I told in the previous video, YouTube doesn't care about the sound. You see, I'm not using mic today. I have no mic because I want to prove you. I want to prove you by actually showing you that sound doesn't matter. It's just my phone, my iPhone, no background, okay? This is just a random background in my living room here. And not the quality, but what matters is if my viewers are coming back to my videos after this video. You see, because that's what, remember, I told you guys in a previous video, do not make videos longer than 4 minutes, and I explain why. Because we are making videos, when we're starting out, we are making videos for the YouTube's algorithm to judge us. And they will gonna judge us based on our viewers' reaction. If you put out their content for 30 minutes content, and viewers are watching your content only maximum 2 minutes, YouTube will gonna put your video aside. They don't care about your message. Okay, that's why you have to start first 30 days with the 4 minutes video and put in a video something where you do not ask for likes. No, do not ask for likes. Do not ask for the comments. If you want them to comment or like, cause them to comment or like. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is so important. Again, not so much for the human brain, but so important for the algorithm, because algorithm is searching for those signals, what type of creator you are and me are, because they don't care about us. Obviously not. They care about audience. We are creators, but they care about audience. That's how YouTube's algorithm works. Okay, and if you understand that how it works, then you can, of course, you can try to try to put your content, if you are making about prayer, it could be a little bit easier. But if you want to put your church sermon, which is 1.5 hours long or hour long, on a YouTube, how can I do this? Well, there is a science how to do this, of course, but you have to start putting and developing your YouTube channel for the 30 days with a different style of content, not with the 1 hour long content, okay? You will not gonna succeed. This is not how YouTube works. If you want to work on a YouTube, you should know how YouTube works to be successful on a YouTube. That's why I'm teaching those small tips and nuggets here by showing you actually 0 subscribers what you should do. You do the same. Show them actually how you walk through the difficulties, through changing the numbers, how you do and what you do. That's pure benefit for your audience, and YouTube will gonna like it because your audience will gonna like it. Be blessed.